What are you amazing people on the internet doing? Today is the last day stand-up for the Flutter. What are you amazing people on the internet doing? Today is the last day of the 5-day Flutter Firebase app development series. Awesome work for the last 4 days. We have been working on creating this application from scratch. If you guys are watching this video, then did not watch the last 4 videos. The context is I've been developing this application called as an Anonymous, which is nothing but a simple anonymous feedback type of an application. One user can send an anonymous feedback to another user, and it's pretty useful. So I thought I'll just make a video out of that, how I'm connecting it to Firebase and how this Flutter application building out. I have done a series of videos over the last 4 days. Today happens to be the final day of this series where I'm going to be releasing the Flutter release APK to the Android Play Store. But for today's stand-up, I wanted to discuss about what we have done in the so far in the last 4 days. Last 4 days have been very importantly, starting from first day, we looked at how to create the base UI. We did some wireframes. Second day was Firebase itself. We connected the application to the Firebase. Third day just took the life out of me. We had to connect it to Firebase. We had to connect it to a local storage, SQL Flight DB, and it just took the life out of me. It was really difficult in terms of like 2 different databases. How are you going to handle it in proper way? So that was the challenge for the third day. Yesterday was the fourth day, which was really useful in terms of creating a UI and UX for the application, which I think is very important, but really not as important as making the application itself work. So if you guys want to watch any of these 4 videos, do not forget to check them out. I've listed them in the playlist, so probably you guys want to check that out. What's the plan for today is that we're going to be releasing this APK to the Android Play Store. But even before that, the idea is to actually do some testing, make sure the application working properly. If you guys remember from the previous video, last night's video, that there was some minor issue that we found out at the end, almost at the end part of the video, which is that when the user sends the message to the final user, whoever he wants to send it to, he or she does not get any kind of notification saying that just the message has been sent. So we're going to be doing that. We're going to add a simple, probably a snack bar to the bottom half saying that message is sent to this user, so that no multiple messages are not sent, assuming that message is not sent. So we're going to be doing that for today's video, and we're just going to the testing, and as soon as testing is done, we're going to be releasing the application, building the application release APK and putting it in the Play Store. Hopefully you guys can stick around and watch the video, which is going to release in another 4 hours of time, and you guys can make sure that you watch that video. If you want to stay subscribed to my channel, you know where to hit the subscribe button, probably down right there, and hit that and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you guys can stay subscribed. Alright, let me take the leave. I have to go make the video, which is going to be another 1 hour to 2 hours of video, and cut that video to 20 minutes. A lot of work is there. Let me make that, and I'll meet you guys in another 4 hours of time. Peace out.